ang dami munang roles, sir, na nagkampanasan. Demand ka, first and foremost, businessman, resolvist. Among those roles po, sir, ano ang pinaka malapit sa puso niyo?
Actually, yung kasing nangyari sa buhay ko, parang each phase of my life, may kanya-kanyang storya. When yung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa negosyo, I started to let me share siguro na lang my story. No? Before I reached 30, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan may 100 million na ako. From nothing, from nowhere. And project ko yun sa buhay ko, iniisip ko yun. And when I was 30 years old, I have 100 million. Tapos sabi ko, nung 40 ako, sabi ko, kailangan naman meron akong X amount na naman. Project. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, I have to have I'm just sharing my experience, no. Sana wala akong magkaroon ako ng basketball team. It's my dream to have a PBA team. And when I was thinking about it, it was almost impossible for me to own a basketball team because I cannot afford it. Pero napakalakas ng persuasion ko sa sarili ko at saka sa utak ko na when I was 40 years old, when I was 38 years old, I bought a PBA franchise. So, the power that I have, or you all have in your mind, is yung kakasabi ko sa sarili ko, no? Nagkakatotoo. And when I was the age of 40, I think that was exactly my age, no? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto kong makamit yung ultimate na one of the richest of Philippines. And I was, I think, 39 when the Forbes magazine put me as number 26. Hindi ko sinasabi para magyabang. Ang sinasabi ko lang, kung nagawa ko, marami rin kayang gumawa. But the power of persuasion, na sinasabi ko sa sarili ko araw-araw, tuwing gising ko sa umaga, na kaya ko to, kaya ko talunin to, kaya kong gawin to, it's my motivation to myself. Alam nyo, up to now, I'm 50 plus years old. And up to now, I'm always telling people, in the morning when I wake up, 8 a.m., 7 a.m., I'm always excited to wake up in the morning. Sabihin ko, ay, ano bang pwede kong pagkakitaan? Ano bang pwede kong gawin ngayong araw? So, by doing yung mental, parati kong naiisip, positive, no? Dahan-dahan, na-achieve mo yung mga gusto mo. No? Yun nga, that's in business. Tapos, pagtalon ko naman sa Congress, I was 9 years naging congressman ako. Naabot ko rin lahat ng gusto ko abutin sa Congress. I was from pagiging deputy majority leader, natuto. Sa buhay kasi, what I learned is, matututunan mo lahat eh. Diba? Wala akong alam sa Congress. In fact, ayoko maging congressman. But somehow, sabi ko nga, yung least na ine-expect mo maging, doon ka mapupunta. And nung naging congressman ako, naging deputy speaker ako, naging, I did about 150 Republic Acts. Somehow, sabi ko, masarap pala maging congressman, may power ka. But towards the end of my career in Congress, June of 2025, nagkaroon ako ng SEPANCS. Ano ba yung SEPANCS? Separation Anxiety. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, pag-alis ko ng Congress, 9 years ako, ano kayang gagawin ko? Although may business ako. No? Pero, yung power, at saka yung pagiging congressman, pagtutulong, hinahanap ng katawan ko na. You know, if I can share, no? One thing, when I was a congressman, sometimes you walk in the streets, may namamalimos. Nung nasa negosyo pa ako, pwede mong bigyan, pwede mong hindi. Diba? Discretion mo yun eh. Ngayon, pag may namamalimos, iniisip ko, bakit namamalimos to? Paminsan kakausapin ko pa, nagtrabaho ka ba? Nag-aral ka ba? Nagiging concern ka na. Kasi yun na yung buhay ko eh, public servant ka na eh. So, nagsiswitch talaga yung utak mo from being a businessman to public service. And now, yung nahanap namin ni Vlad at saka ni Ai is this reservist. We've been helping all around the Philippines, and it's a new calling for me. And we've, I think, brought in medical equipments to the farthest of the far. Even Pag-asa Island, nakapagdala kami ng ECG machine, yung ano. Alam niyo, yung pinuntahan namin isang beses, itong Mapud, which is Tawi-Tawi. Ito nga. It is 25 hours by boat from Bonggao, Tawi-Tawi. No? 48 hours from Zamboanga City. No? So talaga walang doktor doon. No? And kami nagdala ng mga equipment. Ngayon, pagka nakita nyo, binigay mo yung equipment doon sa tinatawag nilang barrio doctors, makikita mo na paano nila tanggapin na parang it changes yung life nila. So, yun yung fulfillment na hinahanap namin ngayon. So, each one segment of my life has a different impact to myself and has a different impact to the people that we serve or iba-iba. No? Sana nasagot ko yung ano. Thank you.
Thank you.